Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus Nord 2T, and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So basically we've got two different ways to block a number. First way is to use directly your contact list, and the second is using the settings, in which you will be able to enter the number manually. Of course I'll show you both. So let's begin with the contact list. Let's open it. Let's find the contact you'd like to block and tap on it. Now let's tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on block numbers. I don't want to report it as a spam, and let's tap on block if you are ready. As you can see, you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages. So if you are sure, tap on block, and as you can see right now this number is blocked. We can see this characteristic icon. Of course, you can unblock it the same way, just by tapping on the three dots icon and tapping on unblock numbers, but let me leave it like this. We will see if it will appear on the blacklist. So that was the first way of blocking the number using directly our contacts, and now the second way, in which it doesn't really matter if you will be on the contacts, recents or favorites. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. Now let's tap on the blocked numbers, and as you can see right here, we've got our blacklist, and that's the number we just blocked from our contacts. So everything went fine, we successfully blocked the number. And as I said at the very beginning of this video, in this way you will be able to enter the number manually, so you do not have to have the number currently saved. Just tap on add a phone number, and as you can see right here, you can simply enter it. So let's tap on block, and as you can see, it will immediately appear on the blacklist. What's more, at the very top we've got the option unknown, which is quite useful. It may be useful because after activating it just by tapping on the switcher, your device will block the calls from all unidentified callers. Of course, you can turn it off whenever you want to, just by tapping on the switcher again. If you'd like to unblock the numbers, just tap on this X button right next to it and tap on unblock. So actually this is it. This is how to block a number in your OnePlus Nord 2T. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.